तेरे को क्या चाहिए?
Look at that. So beautiful.
Here.
Because you know nazar lagta hai. And to buy.
छोटू छोटू.
Acha, these beanies. Hey guys, welcome back to Life with the Sequeras. A very good afternoon. It is right now 12 noon and we are actually on our way to Mount Mary Church. We have some work there again, and from there we are just planning to roam around and then come back in the evening. And we won't tell you what exact work it is right now. We will tell you with time. As we told you in the last vlog, we have some things to share and that will come with time. Just give it just be a bit patient with that regards. Once it's 100% confirmed and everything, then only we can tell you about it, because you know nazar lagta hai and right now nazar bahut lag raha hai hum pe. So you know, just keeping a bit low key on that, and we'll tell you how the day goes. So Bagu,
आजचा दिवस कसा जातो? अरे यार, this thing came with no ring. Oh no. BKC connector, two-wheelers not allowed.
we just crossed the BKC connector bridge, and this is the same bridge where I and baby were fined last year, because in that
We
bridge
were on the Activa.
we were on that two-wheelers are not allowed, and yet we went on it. It was a beautiful ride though, but it ended up by paying fine. But it was okay, chalega. So next time if you guys are also on the BKC connector, do not travel on a two-wheeler. Unfortunately, two guys were caught. बेचारा 2000 का फाइन लगेगा अभी उनको. We're reaching now Mount Mary in the next 15 minutes, and we woke Hriday up by saying there was a helicopter. He was sound asleep. The road is confusing in Bandra always. We have reached Bandra. See the Bandra Valley ceiling. We'll be taking a left right now.
Beautiful. See how pretty it looks. That is where I had manifested you. Yeah. Wow, the sky looks so pretty. Lovely.
Parking in Bandra is really very tough to get. Now I am right at the gate outside Hirsch Bakery. I have sent baby and Baba inside to get it. So in case if somebody comes in or asks to move the car, I can immediately do that. I hope there's no line inside.
So now we reached Hirsch Bakery. Hey, you too. There it is. Let's see what to eat. खूप चालावं लागतं. We took a parcel. Now heading to baby. Come Hriday. Walk ahead. We'll go to the car and show you what all we have ordered. Baby is standing right out only. Now let's search baby. Right here.
चलो 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 चलो.
Come Hriday, get in.
So guys, we reached Mount Mary, but before we go, we thought we'll just have something and then go and visit or the church and maybe attend mass. Let's see how the scenario is. So what have you got, baby?
Samosas.
Samosa. Did you get my burger?
Burger, samosas and fried rice.
Fried rice she's having, so let her have that. Sure. I want my burger first. So we're gonna hog into it now. So starting out with my burger. I'm really hungry. And they're giving wafers, nice. Burger
Give some
and
tissues with it.
So we'll remove. Okay. Samosa I would like to taste.
Chotu.
Achha, these mini samosas, they all taste. Oh, I actually wanted horse bakery only mayonnaise. Wow.
Nice it is.
Of course. It's Hirsch Bakery at the end. Nice.
Fried rice.
Plain one you brought? You get this one?
No.
You want it plain only?
You'll eat, no? Taste and see.
What do you have first? Yeah, it's going to be. You have first. I don't like tomatoes in my burger. How is it? Good?
Chester would love it.
Just I would love it, yes. You get anything?
Chalo, now we'll eat.
Look at that. So beautiful. Look who did we find. Hi, come. Hi. Hey cutie, come. Come, Ray, come. Hi. What? Can I touch you? Yes. Hi. Hey, Guddu. Hi. We are at Mount Mary. It's still under repairs, and now we are climbing up.
Come.
We just prayed, and we prayed for everybody. We prayed for our country, especially. Times like these requires a lot of prayers, and anybody watching the vlog, you guys are blessed. Something good is going to happen to you and your family. So continue praying. That's all I can say. My baby wants to buy some rosaries. You want to buy some rosaries, no? Chalo, let's go and buy some. Figuring out where to buy from. Most of them they will buy near the car only. It is rosary for Hriday and even for me.
This one is only good, no? This does not have those artificial beads. It's thread only.
Thread only. Take that only.
ये
एक दे दो. So many things to buy. Eat, Ray. Eat. Good. Acha, feeling shy? Okay, I'll go away. We are outside the church and I just had some lemon tea from that uncle. He was serving lemon tea and it's really very tasty. 20 bucks lemon tea. Coffee chai सब है क्या?
कॉफी भी है.
Nice. He makes it fresh, really good, tasty one. He carries some biscuits also, some bun muscatu. This is how he carries. Moving shop. Baby is still shopping. This fellow had his fried rice. हाई टाइड है. हाई टाइड है इधर. पानी कभी आता है क्या? क्या रिक कब से हो गया इधर? अच्छा, they are making that that coastal road continuation.
This is bandstand, no?
Yes.
Before saying it in the vlog, I wanted to confirm. Yeah, bus stop is also bandstand.
See what a high tide है रे पूरा. देख.
Want to drink anything?
नहीं रे. गर्मी.
Lovely, look at the water. The only thing I miss at our current location is a beach or a water body. Lovely this
Yeah, you
looks.
have a hot body, no water body.
Very funny. Imagine Charlie, Coco and Chester in this water. So much they'll enjoy.
You want to go out and see?
No, it's too sunny, Babu.
No, that's why it put right. Got a shade. You can just go out here.
Just
and see. Yeah, yeah.
no, just roll down the window. Look at that.
You see?
Family pack.
Screen बेच रहे हैं कि customer?
Sorry, for my fingers, baby always tells me कि जैसे वीडियो में तेरे ऐसे बीच बीच में fingers आते हैं. But yeah.
दिखाने जरूरत नहीं था वो.
6+1 and family pack is also written.
Yeah, missing हो गया यार.
Anything you wanted to talk on that?
No, thanks. I'm happy with what's happening. हम लोग अभी कितने लोग हैं अभी? 6 लोग ही हैं.
3 yes.
6 हो गया. 1 और एक चाहिए क्या?
Yes. Coming.
पैसा भी चाहिए.
चलो बाय.
है तेरी मेहरबानी. Right, we are now on our way to our friend's place, and in the meantime, we'll be showing you what we purchased.
Just
After she
removing
stops.
this for some time because it's moving like this in the video.
It's supposed to move like that. So, yeah.
So I'll show what all we got. We need to get all this blessed, but I'll just show. This is one small rosary, the thread one for Hriday. Then this is for baby.
Okay, nice.
Like it?
Yeah.
There are 2 of them. Both are same because one breaks easily. It's babies though. Then I'll show you something. This rosary is for me. Though I do not wear it, but I love to keep it along with me. I always keep, and then this fellow uses them. So now I am out of stock. So this one, so cute. I love these beads. They are matte finish.
Hriday likes night, glow in the night one.
Since it was there, we got this one also. It's the radium one.
that we don't
pray is
watch.
important. And we also
For
got
me, pray for 5 minutes बस हो गया, खत्म हो गया.
no.
Thank the Lord.
Even for 1 hour if we pray, it's okay.
Okay, you sit and pray, okay?
And then we also got these keychains. It says Jesus saves you. If I keep like that, they'll be able to read yes. See? And also this one. That was it. Our mini haul from
Mount Mary.
Mount Mary.
I like this red. Stop and go both chalu. What yeah?
This is the Gokhale Bridge, no?
The new one, yes.
Such beautiful sky, our baby. Dekhna.
God's creation. He built it on day 1. Genesis. पीछे ये तो Bible. So guys, we just got done meeting our friends. We had a good time there. Obviously we can't tell because they are comfortable in being in the vlog. And now I found a Bangalore Iyengar's bakery, so I'm going to buy some tea cakes. Which one do you want? We are at Bangalore's Iyengar's bakery in Amboli. I love having all these tea cakes. Look at that.
Robin, लिखना Robin.
We have taken half kg of this. Anything else you want? Any biscuits? Look at that. Whether you want anything, darling? See this coconut biscuits. इसको क्या हुआ है? ज़्यादा प्यार क्यों आ रहा है?
I think he's feeling very tired.
Tired, ना? गर्मी. Cupcake would you like to have? Vanilla or chocolate? कौन सा चाहिए? हाँ? Out of syllabus.
Take it.
Okay, take whatever you want. What is that called? A chocolate butter roll.
Take.
And we are taking a mix of these pista, badam and kaju cookies. Vedha is having his chocolate butter roll.
You'll have, wait, I'll tell you. It's like a shawarma.
Wow, nice. No, you have, darling. I don't.
You have.
So I got all of these. We love having from Iyengar's, and that's why we brought in large numbers. So guys, we have reached home and we've got these plants as well. Really tired. Hriday also is tired. You can see from his face, baby is not tired that much. I am extremely tired because I drove, and now I'm going to doze off to sleep. I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. So asa hota amsa purna divas. Ha video आवडला असेल तर like करा,
comment करा,
share करा आणि आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. Bye.